Management Association successfully organized the celebration of Women on Mission 2.0 on 7th February 2026 in Vadodara, focusing on women empowerment under the theme Rar Ban, from grassroots to global. The event was hosted by the Women Empowerment Committee of BMA and brought together inspiring leaders and achievers from various fields. The chief guest was Honorable Srimati Gayatri Ben Mahida, President of District Panchayat Vadodara, while the keynote address was delivered by Major Prajakta Desai, the first woman UAV observer pilot of the Indian Army. The panel discussion featured Indian cricketer Tarannum Pathan, Kathak Ashwamedh winner Anahita Vanere, environmentalist and social entrepreneur Rajeshwari Singh, and soft skills trainer Nimisha Parekh. The program was supported by BMA President Dr. Mukund Purohit, Treasurer CA Keyur Shah, and Honorary Secretary Himanshu Sura. The event was led by the BMA Women Empowerment Committee members, including Dr. Mangla Chauhan, Chairperson and Vice President BMA, along with directors Ms. Komal Vaidya, CMA Amruta Vyas, and Dr. Amita Prabhin. The event highlighted inspiring stories, breaking barriers, and building inclusion, and concluded with positive interaction and networking, leaving a strong message of women leadership and empowerment.
My name is Mukund Purohit. I'm a current president of Baroda Management Association. Today on 7th February 2026, it is my great privilege to host a women conference led by Dr. Mangla Chauhan, Vice President of Baroda Management Association, and her team. Such a wonderful event. We had chief guest from Gram Panchayat, we have a guest of honor and keynote speaker from Indian Army, and 200 plus women from the Vadodara city and from the various industry. Really, Nari to Narayani, and it is a really fact that without woman, man is nothing. Every successful man, there is a woman behind that, and that's really true. Because if you see our Satyug also, Shiv and Parvati, Shiv is nothing without Parvati, Shiv and Shakti. And this is a fantastic event we are hosting, and I must tell you, the Baroda Management Association is very actively involved to help Kanya Keravani Yojana of our Chief Minister. Last year also, we did a wonderful donation to the Kanya Keravani Yojana by doing event under the banner of Baroda Management Association, and next year also we are going to do the same thing. I wish that this kind of event to promote, to help and motivate women is going to continue under the banner of Baroda Management Association. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Dr. Mangla Chauhan, Vice President of Baroda Management Association and Chairperson of Women Empowerment Committee, BMA. Today, on 7th of February, this Women Conference titled as Rurban, Grassroots to Global. Rurban means rural plus urban. Grassroots to Global, Women Shaping, Women Powering One's Own Nation. This is the main theme of this conference, and here our chief guest from rural area, Panchayat, District Panchayat President Gayatri Ben Madam, and our keynote speaker, Major Prajakta Desai. They just be here to narrate about their life journey, the obstacle, the hurdles they face in their life, and how they overcome those challenges and convert it into their achievements. They are here to inspire many women, and they are women as a participants who also present are inspiring too, where the main theme of this conference is to get inspired by other women and being an inspiration for other women. This is the main motto of my conference, and here this year the theme focused on courage, on parakram basically. As Sri Krishna said to Arjun in Bhagavad Gita, Sarvorapi Gunaryukto Neviryah Kim Karishyati गुणीभूता गुणासर तिष्ठन्ति ही पराक्रमे. अर्थात बिना करेज के कुछ भी पॉसिबल नहीं. अरिस्टोटल ग्रीक फिलोसोफर सेड कि देयर इज नो क्वालिटी बेस्ट क्वालिटी rather than courage. courage is the quality who take care of other quality. So women को यही message देना, this is the message from to women कि don't hesitate to pursue your dream, to pursue your aspiration. Come forward with your dream, take a first step. Other women are there to support you, to encourage you, to make your dream fulfill. Thank you, and my best wishes to all the women participants here and to all those who are listening. I am there, Women Empowerment Committee there to support you and help you from BMA. Thank you so much.
Jai Hind, I'm Major Prajakta Desai. I'm a retired Indian Army officer, and today I'm here in Baroda. Definitely I've come here after 1.5 decades. Last time I had visited Baroda was in 2011 when I was in the service. I was here in one of the cantonment learning more about the army, and today I feel so privileged to be back here. And first thank you I would like to extend is to the Vice President of the Baroda Management Association, Dr. Mangala Chauhan ma'am. She was kind enough to invite me for this women conference. So I'm really thankful to her, the President, and all the ladies who have been a part of this conference. One thing I would like to tell over here is that we as women take a lot of time to celebrate one another, and what I saw here was how happily each and every year women are collectively being a part of an organization, celebrating womenhood, supporting each other and putting everyone towards the path of success. So I once again extend my thank you to each and everyone over here, and all the wishes to all the members of Baroda Management Association for their future endeavors. Jai Hind.